interesting and unique rituals that I came across when I was traveling in Thailand. So they offer red Fanta, fast food and other beverages to Spirit House and God as well. Basically, Spirit House are those small houses that are built on a pillar or an elevation as a shelter for spirits. So red Fanta is offered with a straw. Yes, you heard it right. To make it more comfortable to enjoy the drink. But why red Fanta? So red is an important color in Thai culture and animal sacrifice blood had an important significance back then, which later got replaced by red color water and now by red Fanta, that is strawberry Fanta. And interestingly, Thailand becomes the fourth largest consumer of Fanta in the world. So along with Fanta, they also offer food, fruits and flowers to the spirit house because they believe spirits can be mischievous, violent, good or evil. So by making such offers, spirit won't harm them, rather they would protect them, guard them and also fulfill their wishes. People stick gold leaf on the idols in the temple of Thailand. But why? Gold is considered as one of the purest metal and is also compared to sun or fire. One of the businesswomen said that our skin is 0.7 inch thick and the gold sheet that they produce is around 0.004 inch thick or even less sometimes. It takes 20,000 times of pounding, that is around 5 hours of hammering. Pasting gold leaf on idol is one way to honor Buddhas and their gurus' teachings. They also believe putting gold leaf on the back of Buddha is doing good without seeking attention. Also, if someone has pain or problem in certain part of the body, they stick the gold leaf in the same location of the Buddha idol. And interestingly, people burn 3 incense sticks, one for Buddha, one for Sangha and other for Dharma. And lastly, people burst firecrackers in temples. But why? So whenever a wish or a vow comes true, people burst firecracker. There is also a belief that loud noise from the firecracker scares the evil spirit. An interesting story that goes around that Nian the beast would go to the village and take the food that was being cooked on the fire pit made of bamboo. But one day the fire pit exploded in the fire and Nian got scared and ran away from the village. So they believe loud noise from firecracker ward off the evil, and on the contrary they also believe loud noise gains prosperity. Hope you like this video and let me know in the comment section what are the other unique rituals that you came across throughout the world.